Want to dive deep into online marketing? Eager to design high-converting landing pages and grasp the art of email marketing and digital ads? Join us for the Doing Workshop by Cues for Business this October 28, 2023 at Bentley Business Center. At Bentley Business Center, a hands-on exploration into the world of effective online marketing. Learn with TAPS and FAR as they utilize real-life examples to enhance your learning, ensuring you leave with a ready-to-use marketing funnel. Supercharge your business, learn vital digital marketing strategies, and engage in real-world scenarios with like-minded individuals. As an entrepreneur, the Doing Workshop by Cues for Business was a practical goldmine of insights and tools for enhancing my business. Don't miss this chance to elevate your enterprise. Elated attendee Elizabeth Lang. Time is ticking. Secure your seat now and begin your ascent in the marketing world with the Doing Workshop. Click the button below and jumpstart your growth journey. Limited seats for unlimited learning and growth. Only 30 exclusive seats are available for this hands-on workshop. Grab this golden opportunity and boost your marketing success. Click the button below and jumpstart your growth journey. Be empowered by Cues for Business for enhancing your marketing capabilities, assuring exceptional results. Elevate your marketing capabilities with Cues for Business. Don't delay. Click the button below and see you there.